Insolation across the Earth's surface varies by latitude. This is because of the sun's angle in relationship to the Earth's axis. Where you'll find the most direct contact of the sun's light is at the equator. That is why you'll see the most tropic temperatures at that location. As you approach the south and north poles, the angle of the sunlight decreases, therefore the temperature does as well. At the top and the bottom of the image show the sun's lowest angle. There, the unit area of the radiation is the lowest, and therefore the temperature is the lowest as well. The middle arrow represents the sun's light hitting the equator, where the highest temperature and unit area of radiation is prevalent. The reason we have seasons is because of the tilt of the Earth, 23.5 degrees. If the Earth was straight up, then all areas would get the same amount of light and therefore all be the same temperature. Because we have a tilt, each area receives sunlight in different severities of its radiation. This causes temperature difference and is the reason we have seasons. This image is significant because it shows the winter solstice and summer solstice, as well as the two equinoxes. The winter solstice is the day of the year with the least amount of sunlight and therefore the least amount of insolation. The summer solstice is the day with the most amount of sunlight and therefore the highest amount of insolation. The two equinoxes, on the other hand, represent the middle parts of the year, where there is an equivalence in sunlight and nighttime with 12 hours of both. The amount of insolation the Earth receives from the sun is very important. The amount of insolation affects photosynthesis and primary productivity. Essentially, this is the key to life on Earth. This image shows that when it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. The area hit by the sunlight will be in summer, while the other side of the Earth will be in winter. This shows that the sun's radiation plays a big role in the seasons, both winter and summer. In addition to that, both the solstices, winter and summer, and the equinoxes, vernal and autumnal, affect the temperature, and the sun's angle, whether straight on or low angle, affects the radiation and temperature in the zone that it contacts.